Yes, good morning, all of you. Myself, Mert S.M., Mechanical Engineering Department of Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Today, I am going to engage how to draw the orthopic projection. The learning outcome, the learning outcome of that is student will able to draw the orthopic projection of a simple problem. So today we have to study a simple problem of this. This isometric drawing is to be given. From that isometric drawing, you have to draw the orthopic projection. Here it is to be given that in the direction of arrow, you have to standing in the front view, and you have to draw the front view and the top view. It is to be given that this is the isometric drawing is to be given. The total, first of all, what is the basic concept is to be you have to standing in the direction of x in the arrow and see that particular object. So now we have to draw first the xy line, and before that first you have to calculate the maximum dimensions in the front view. What is the maximum dimensions? It is to be known that right side it is a 45 and left side it is a 35 plus 15, that is a 90. 45 plus 45 90, and total height is to be given as 70. So maximum height, that is here, it is to be given as 90 by 70. So first of all I am making a small border line of 90, and height is to be near about 70 mm. Okay, so make a block of 90 by 70 block. In that you have to start with the first point. That is the first block. Here it is, which is parallel to you. Which block is there? This block is parallel to you. So it is seen as it is. It is a true shape, true image is to be there. So for the true shape and true image, and height is to be 10 mm. So take the dimensions of 10 mm here, and here it is dimension of 10 mm. Make a block of 10 by 90. So the first surface is parallel, this surface. Now second one, the behind surface is to be there, which is again parallel to you. This surface is to be there, which is parallel to you. So, and what is its maximum dimension? Maximum 70. So complete this block first. Okay, so first thing you have to draw a parallel to you as it is. Second, the vertical surface parallel to you have to draw as it is. Okay, then these two ribs are there. These ribs, it is to be suppose 10 mm behind that, but in the front view it seems that it is to be start at the front side. And what is the thickness for this one? The thickness is given as a 10 mm, and it ends 10 mm below for that. So marking of 10 mm from the top end, both sides, here and here. And the width is how much? The width is given as a 10 mm on both sides, right and left side. 10 mm, and it is a 10 mm. Draw it. These two inclined rib, the first surface parallel to you, draw it. Second surface vertically parallel, then inclined rib you have to draw as it is. Now there is a central hole is to be there, square hole is to be there. Where it is? It is at a central. So draw the center line from first one. So it is a 45, and it is total width is to be 90. So draw a center line of 45. Okay. Then what is its location? Its location is given as how much? From this surface, its center line is how much? It is 20 from this base. So draw the center line. It is at a 20 mm here. So draw the center line. Okay. Then what is the dimensions of the square hole? The square hole dimension is to be given as how much? 35, and height is 15 mm. So 15 means 7.5 above and 7.5 below. So 7.5 here and 7.5 here. And what is the width? Total width is 35. Means right and left kitna? 17.5 and 17.5. 15 there is 17.5 and 1 2 3 5 here. This is a center line. It's okay, this surface hole. Now one more hole is there for the base slab, but in the front view it is hidden, so show it as a dotted one. कितना है इसका width 17.5 and base to base, so 15 mm है, so 7.5 and 7.5 both sides, 7.5 and 7.5, and it is from top to the bottom one. So it is a front view. Okay, now what about the top view? When you have to see from the top view, what is the, this dimension is already given, that is 90. Draw the generators of 90 as it is. And what is the depth? The depth is given as 60. So from fix one point, take the dimensions of 60, make a block of 60 mm block. Okay, now which is parallel now? This surface is parallel. कितना है उसका? 10 mm उसका ये है. So from this end you have to draw 10 mm. Here it is a 10 mm and here also it is a 10 mm. Because it is parallel, you have to draw the true dimensions as it is. हो गया. नीचे का slab, first you have to complete it. नीचे का slab, it is parallel to you as it is दिखेगा वो rectangle. ठीक है. उसके बाद ये दो रिब दिख रहे हैं. नाउ दिस रिब इज 10 mm. यहाँ से 10 mm पीछे कंप्लीट हो गया है, वहाँ से स्टार्ट हो गया है. लेकिन व्हेन यू टू सी फ्रॉम द टॉप व्यू, दीज 2 पॉइंट्स आर अपीयरिंग हियर. सो कितना विड्थ है उसका? 10 mm. ऊपर से दिख रहा है आपको. ड्रॉ द रिस्पेक्टिव ओनली जनरेटर्स. नीचे से कहाँ कितना mm का है? यहाँ दिया है 10 mm. हो गया. दो रिब हो गए. उसके बाद ये स्क्वायर होल विच इज़ पैरेलल टू यू, कहाँ है? यहाँ दिखता है. लेकिन कहाँ है वो? सेंटर पे है. ड्रॉ द सेंटर लाइन. तो सेंटर लाइन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फ्रॉम द सेंटर लाइन यू हैव टू ड्रॉ ऑल दीज थिंग्स. यहाँ से कितना है? ये एज से यहाँ एज से 25 mm दिया है. सो टेक द फिक्स द पॉइंट्स 25 mm. 25 mm. अभी सेंटर लाइन से सभी कंप्लीट करो. कितना इसका है? डायमेंशंस दिया है. 15 mm स्क्वायर ब्लॉक है. 7.5 एंड 7.5. सो यहाँ से ऊपर तक 7.5, नीचे 7.5, और यहाँ से बोथ साइड 7.5. स्क्वायर होल है ना, 7.5. completed. तो ये हो गया. दो रिब हो गए. ये रिब है. ओनली दिस होल व्हेन यू टू सी फ्रॉम द टॉप व्यू, इट इज़ टू बी इनविजिबल वन. ये हिडन है ये होल. इसका सेंटर लाइन कहाँ से दिया है? उसका विड्थ कितना दिया है? 7.5, 35 दिया है. तो ऊपर से आ रहा है यहाँ, ये देखो. और ये कहाँ है? ये रिब को है. ये रिब जो है ना. So draw this line. ऊपर से जनरेटर्स ले लो. कितना है? थ्रू है. Only you have to draw the dotted line. So this is the front view. और ये top view. So इसका maximum dimensions first. When you have to draw the orthopedic drawing, in that direction first you have to check the maximum dimension. इसका maximum dimension कितना हुआ? 90. और हाइट कितना दिया है 70. सो फर्स्ट मेक 90/70 का ब्लॉक कर दो, उसके जो भी ड्रॉ कर रहे उसके अंदर ड्रॉ करने वाले. टॉफ़ी में क्या है उसका, ये तो डायमेंशन ऊपर से आ रहा है, कौन सा 90 का, ड्रॉ द जनरेटर्स, और डेप्थ कितना है 60 mm. सो 60 जो भी तुम निकाल रहे उसके अंदर. सो उसमें मिस्टेक्स नहीं होगा, जो भी आप निकाल रहे वो प्रॉपर तरीके से आप निकाल रहे. ओके, सो दिस इज़ अ सिंपल ड्राइंग ऑफ द अर्थोपिक. ये अर्थोपिक का सिंपल ड्राइंग है जो भी है आपका. ठीक है ना. दिख रहा है आपको सबका प्रॉपर वे, दोनों वे. ओके, थैंक यू.